Gray Junior nĩ ayumĩrĩtie na agakorwo respond to Rigathi Gachagua in a very heated interview. Class 2 dropout nĩrĩo rĩtwa rĩrĩa rĩrarĩa thaa ici harĩ Garia Junior. Garia Junior has been thriving through those trends. Twanjire harĩa na Maina kana Matikaine harĩa tuonire harĩa agĩtake over event fulani yene aterĩtwo atuĩke MC. Later tukiona nĩ magwe kana matikagwe athiĩte gũikarĩra gĩtĩ agekora thĩ harĩa jukwaa-inĩ. And right now we have class 2 dropout. Maya nĩ marĩtwa marĩa Garia Junior, Mheshimiwa Garia Junior akoretwo akĩheo over time. Rĩtwa rĩrĩ rĩa class 2 dropout nĩrĩo recent na arakorirwo akĩheo nĩ Rigathi Gachagua. Akĩheana reason as to why Garia Junior araumire kĩama kĩa DCP na arathiĩ kũrĩa kwa Kindiki.
Nimefurahi sana nimeona msanii mmoja alienda kushtaki mimi pale kwa Mr. Yesa. Ati mimi nilisema siwezi kumpatia tikiti ya DCP. It is true. Sasa mtu ya standard 2 atapewa tikiti akawakilisha nani bunge? Siwezi kubali. Tondo dinora tuwe na gura gudura toke. Gotire kagege gakuheo tikiti wa DCP. Lazima akidikon tubadilishe quality ya viongozi wetu kama watu ya mlima. Kwa sababu hapo ndio tumeshindwa. Hawa Ruto wamewachukua wote hawana akili. Akiwaambia finance bill ni mzuri wanasema ndio. Akiwaambia ni mbaya wanasema ndio. Senator moja aliulizwa kwa nini ulifukuza Gachagua? Niliambiwa na Ruto. Makosa yake ilikuwa gani? Hata sijui, ni Ruto aliniambia. These are the kind of leaders ambaye tuko nao. Na nilifurahi sana huyu kijana ni muibaji, ati alikuwa anataka kuwa ati mjumbe, ati Asubukia. Mtu hata hajui hata neno moja ya Kiingereza, hata ya Kiswahili. Ati ya kuwa MP kwa chama ya DCP. Inawezekana? The quality of leaders ambaye watatoka kwa hii chama, hii watu ya mlima, mutaniheshimu miaka 30.
Very strong allegations. It was very unexpected to hear that from Rigathi Gachagua. Drauga maybe uhoroi okumana one of the MPs allied to Rigathi Gachagua, but not from Rigathi Gachagua himself. But the fact that he himself niwe ureyumiririe na arakorwo akiarĩrĩria uhoro uyu, it gave it more weight. Tondũ turonire andũ aingĩ mũno makĩyumĩria na gũkorwo magĩkũmithia uhoro ucio. Turona nginya Kithure Kindiki mwenyewe akĩyumĩria na gũkorwo agĩtetera Garia Junior.
Nemo huyu anaitwa nani? Huyu anaitwa nani? Mungu amempea kipeo ama hajampea? Amempea. Si amempea? Yes. Mbona aumizwe na mabrokers? Mbona aumizwe na makampuni ya simu? Yeah. Mbona aumizwe na wale wanatumia skiza yao? Yeah. Lazima wapate haki yao. Yes. Kama wale watu wengine ambao wanataka jasho yao ili waelimishe watoto wao.
Turona wanasiasa akururia makiyumiria haria na gukorwo magĩkũmithia Rigathi Gachagua na njĩra ĩmwe nene mũno. Na what I can say pia mimi that Rigathi Gachagua aliburnt ni pale penye alisema atuache kusikiza nyimbo za wasanii. Hapo kidogo aliburnt. I don't think that is practically possible. And it really costed him. Tondũ ndona muthenya wa umuthi nĩ gũkorirwo gũkĩrekererio statement ni Music Copyright Society of Kenya na society ĩngĩ ya aini, which I don't know if they work. Ndiyo kana nĩ cirutaga wĩra kana they are used for such reasons like this one. Aini nĩ mũtũmagĩrwo mbeca nĩ MCSK ama nĩ zile 2500 per year. Ndiyo. Now, uhoro ndũrĩ hau. Garia Junior nĩ ayumĩrĩtie na agakorwo respond to Rigathi Gachagua in a very heated interview. Harĩa mena chuma moto na kururia. We have watched Garia Junior explain himself in all dimensions, in all ways that he can. Akorwo akidrag everybody he can in order to prove that nĩ mũthomu. And for a moment I felt him. No rĩrĩ, Chumamoto amuheire chance akorwo agĩcokeria Rigathi Gachagua na gĩthũngũ. But he didn't.
Mr. Gachagua, mimi ndorogire gina ndiakene ndeguire ngina githweri akiuga ati ndiui eke ngwire muthuri no ukoro background yaku ti njega no ukoro background yaku ndohotire kuthoma no ukoro background yaku either ni kurega waregire githomo no ukoro background yaku ni githomo wale aciari aku maremirwo gukurihira okay no mundu gwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua aranegenire kuri nie na tonie arakumithirie ari othe matathomete angiao ni bia ciagire kuri aciari angiao ni kindu gigwitwo oe ni oremi hindi iyo tani tondu nie tibia ciakiagire ni oremi wa ndiki hiki nini tonda na
That is the only chance he had. He only had one chance ya kujiprove, but he didn't. He didn't do that. Tugeterere bado tuone uria siasa cia kuria Subukia cigũkorwo cigĩthiĩ na mbere, because right now we are sure that Rigathi Gachagua ena mundu ararora na akona uyu niwe ngũkorwo ngĩsupport kuria gĩtĩ kĩa mũmbunge Subukia, because coming out by himself to defame Garia Junior iyo ironania ati hena mundu arona uyu niwe ndirenda gusupport Subukia, and that makes mwena wa government naguo wone Garia Junior no nginya tumusupport gĩtĩ kĩu kĩa kũsubukia, so that we prove Gachagua wrong. So it's going to be a very big battle for the member of parliament for Subukia. Garia Junior hetwo wira umwe atuonie uria egũkorwo akidebate kuria bunge, and these are my interviews at TV, those debates of politicians on televisions. Let's see Garia Junior debating issues. Reke tumuone akiaria ta Ndindi Nyoro, reke tumuone akiarĩrĩria economy, reke tumuone akiarĩrĩria maendeleo, reke tumuone akiarĩrĩria issues, not kuga ati ari chokora ke. That is the politics we are tired of right now. Ya guthura mundu ati ucio ahataga thoko tukimuthura MCA, ati ucio athia na mwithikiri ahoya kura na mwithikiri, ati ucio gone are the days when you used to elect people with those lines. Ati ucio inaga wega muno nikio twamuthurire. You know, show us what you're going to deliver. Show us how you're going to make things happen. I totally have nothing against Garia Junior. In fact, you know, ndimwendere acinde gĩtĩ kĩu, but let him prove himself. I expected Garia Junior gũkorwo akĩarĩrĩrio nĩ Rigathi Gachagua, ata hangelala akipanga comeback. Akorwo nĩ mena maratathi angĩoka namo hau onanie na kwanza arie gĩthũngũ. You know, ndiũĩ mawoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think. Ndĩna assignment ĩmwe kũrĩ Garia Junior. Nĩtuona bunge ya Tanzania nĩ yanjia bara na Kenya. Garia Junior arenda gũtuĩka mũmbunge Kenya. Ndacokerie andũ acio a Tanzania na gĩthweri, awajibu na Kiswahili. Simple task. Akifanya hiyo kazi, no tumuhe gĩtĩ kĩu gĩa Subukia. Ndiye maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.